Hey, everybody. Welcome to Dumb Investing. That guy over there is Harry. I'm never going to get that right.
And that's Lloyd.
It's time to get dumb up in here. All right. So, Harry, the first thing I want to do tonight is I want to wish you happy anniversary.
Oh, is it my anniversary?
We've been doing this for a full business week now. It's our fifth show, right?
Yeah, man.
That's a full business week. So high five. Yeah, there high five. Boom, pow.
Oh,
all right.
Man.
So
people are going to hate us.
It's all good. Smash the dislike button. Do it like 200 times. It'll be awesome. It's all good. So we're going to change things up tonight, right?
I don't know. I want to hear about your week. How was your week?
Personally, investing, what are we talking here?
I want to know how Lloyd's week was.
I worked really hard, and I had a whole lot of fun making dumb investing. That's about how my week lost a whole bunch of money on Bitcoin.
Nice.
Waiting for it to come back. Yeah, a whole bunch. So that, kind of sucks. That was, you're
supposed to buy at the bottom. Buy low, sell high.
Yeah, I know. It's one of those things. Maybe I'll just go buy a Tesla one day. Who knows? But yeah, overall good week. Worked my ass off. Things are good at home. The Lloydster is having a pool put in.
Yeah.
And we may have to cover that one day on dumb investing because it is right up there with losing a whole bunch of money on Bitcoin. It is definitely one of those things where having a sausage is delicious and you never want to see how they're made. And the pool is the same way. Oh my God. They tore the heck out of the place. And they told me that, hey, you're going to have to, we'll take care of the sprinklers when we're done. I'm like, okay, cool. I figured they would, dig up on it. They just took the machine and just dug the whole backyard, and there's pipes sticking out everywhere and wires. And it's awesome.
Sounds glorious.
Yeah, I would not recommend that. I'll get one that it's already done.
I had a long week as well. This beer is definitely well deserved.
I know we might be going out tonight, so I've got cheers with orange juice.
You don't need to tell anybody there's vodka in it.
I didn't say a word about vodka. I have to drive tonight. It's date night.
All right. Let's get done.
So normally we would go in and we'd review our portfolio right now, and we'd see kind of how dumb we were this week or yesterday and stuff like that. We're going to save that to the end because today was a crazy day in stock market land. And so we've got some surprises in there. So what we're going to do is, if you're new, welcome. Hey, thanks for joining us. We're Lloyd and Harry. What we do at Dumb Investing is we totally randomize. We go out and we buy random stocks every day is what we do. We use a random dice roll and then a random stock picker. And with those two items, we pick 3 stocks. We do some homework. Harry does his, I do mine, and we kind of decide, let's put some money in this one. And hopefully the show doesn't run out of money because we really love doing this. This is a good stress relief for 2 guys who work pretty hard 9-to-5 jobs. So with that being said, the first thing we're going to do tonight is we're going to go pick our stock that we're going to go buy on Monday. And then Harry is going to take us down the how did we do this week, what's going on with our portfolio, what happened in the market today, because it was crazy. So let's roll some dice.
Oh, yeah. That's me.
Yeah, that's you. Key. You. Right on. Okay.
I'll pay attention one of these days.
It's all good. It kind of proves the point that we're not professionals. And I think that's what people love about this channel. All 7 of them so far. And we want to say thank you to each and every one. If you leave us a comment with your name, we're going to say thanks, Mark. We're going to really appreciate you people. So, all right, we got a 6 here. So that means we're going to go roll our random stock picker 6 times, which is awesome. There's a 1, a 2, 3, a 4, a 5, a 6. Okay, LDRS is the first one that we are going to be considering tonight. All right, now we're going to go back to our dice roll. We're going to do that again, completely random. Nobody's paying us to look at these stocks. This is just two guys having fun, non-professionals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, GTES. All right, and our final roll here is a 6. Oh, big numbers today. That's great.
Wow.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, BFZ. All right, now what we generally do, folks, is we do a little bit of homework, as much as two non-professional entertainers can do. I go to Yahoo. Lloyd was Harry was trying some stuff with Webull and stuff, and we basically look through here. BlackRock California Municipal Income Trust. So trusts usually pay dividends. This one does at 3%. Well, that's not very good, but at least it is income if we're going to hold it long term. And let's see, what do people know about them? Nobody's recommending them one way or the other. All right, managed by BlackRock Advisors. The fund invests in fixed income markets, primarily investment grade municipal bonds that are exempt from regular and federal income taxes. Okay, so that's kind of cool. So what that would mean is, I believe that these dividends are, you're not going to have to pay taxes on them, but we would have to consult a CPA or some type of thing for that. All right, this doing anything for you there, Harry?
I'm not overly excited, but let's see what else we got.
Yeah, this does not excite me either. But I bet somewhere there's some accountant going, "Oh, you guys, it's going to be safe. This is what you need to do, you dummies. Why are you not listening? Because you didn't put it in the comments. That's why, dude. Put it in the comments, please." All right. So let's see here. The next one is a GTES. Gates Industrial. Why do we know Gates Industrial? Did we look at these guys personally? Were they one of the SPAC things?
I don't know. It's new to me.
I swear we looked up a Gates something one day back in one of our personal times. But look at that. They've got a lot of revenue.
Yeah, $3 billion.
Yeah. Itty bitty profit. But it's profit. I mean, 2020, or that's 2021. Where'd 2020 go? It was so bad we don't even want to talk about it.
I'm going to say that is really dumb. That must be 2020.
Yeah, because according to this, they made money in 2020.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Okay. Interesting.
All right. Well, it's still not. It wasn't like yesterday's.
Yeah.
Oh, here's an EF or an ETF. This EFT leaders. EFT. What is that? It's an EFT with other EFTs. What? How do you do that?
What was the ticker symbol for that?
This one is LDRS.
Oh, there we go. Weird. I put it in on my side here and it picked a completely different stock. One that I was a lot more excited about.
Well, so the stock doesn't look too horrible. It does look like a lot of the current stocks, though, where, you know, when you look at 19 leading up to the pandemic, they all had their drop. And this guy's, I mean, he's charged way back, way above where it ever was.
Yeah.
So I wonder who So this investment seeks to track before fees and expenses, of course, the performance of the IBDA ETF Leaders Index. The fund normally invests 80% of its assets in the exchange-traded investment companies that comprise the index.
Oh,
So they're copying somebody? Is
I
that
don't know.
how?
It's a yawn for me.
It's a yawn for you?
Yeah.
All right.
Let's
Which one of these three are you putting a star next to? That middle one, that Gates?
Yeah.
I think, yeah, for me, that Gates is probably the middle one. All right. So we're going to get GTES is what we're going to go and buy on Monday. So can we have a 2-minute talk about yesterday?
Of course.
So yesterday we picked with our dice roll BFIIW. And when I went to buy it today, it was not allowed on Webull. What I found out is that BFI is our burger joint, the Burger Fi that we got all excited about. BFIIW is some corporate warrants. And Webull won't let us trade those because they're almost as risky, maybe riskier than options. And it's basically a warrant is kind of like an option that was pushed to the market through a private investor directly with the company. So what the company does is the company goes to an investor, maybe it's Harry up above me, right? And they say, hey, we're going to let you buy our stock at this price at this point in the future. And they come up with will you give me $5 to buy my stock at $10 at 5 years in the future? They come up with some sort of an arrangement. And then that ticker somehow allows those people to trade those within themselves or something like that. I didn't fully understand it, but that's why we couldn't purchase that particular stock. Instead, we purchased the restaurant chain themselves.
So us dummies, we were looking at the wrong thing completely.
Yeah, we just don't know what we're doing, which I cannot believe that happens. All right. So now that we know that, it's time to review our portfolio. So, Harry, that's what you usually do. And what kind of news do you have? What happened today in the world?
Well, it was very interesting market today. I didn't get to pay too much attention to it today, but as you can see in the markets, everything was pretty green. So that means everything was up today.
There's a lot of green.
Yeah. So, but throughout the course of the day, it was not feeling like that. Everything was pretty red throughout the day as you know, anytime I could stop it and take a quick peek. And then something happened at 2:30 or something. Well, my time, I don't know, 3:30. Anyways, late in the day, something happened and the stock market just went straight up. So yeah, it ended up green, which I thought was quite surprising.
Yeah,
I did not see that coming.
Did Powell come on and say something somewhere? I didn't hear anything about it on the Tri-Phone.
I don't know what the catalyst was. I don't know what was driving that. So hopefully that trend continues and you know, the market keeps going up and we keep buying and keeps going up.
Right on. Yeah. So how are we doing? I know I think when I checked in, we ended up buying BurgerFi around, I think it was, I took my break about 9 o'clock or so. So the market had been going for about an hour and it had a little pop up and I tried to catch the dip and I kind of missed it. It popped back up. And then I got a notification like an hour later that it came back down. And so we got it at what I thought was a pretty good price because I put my buy-in kind of the dip when it was going. So I was pretty excited. I was like, hot damn. But then when I looked up above, I think we were down like $10 at lunch or something. I was like, oh, that's pretty dumb.
Well, it ended up green today. So what did we buy it at?
I think we bought it 1580 or something.
Okay, so we bought it. We weren't these guys. This one up here says 1632.
No, that's when I was all excited when I saw that. I think we caught it. So I think we caught it around the second dip.
Okay.
I'll see if I can get it open. It hogs so much RAM I can't use it while we're streaming because then everything slows down. But
Yeah. No problem.
oh, actually, you've got our Weeble up, right?
Yeah.
Go to account on the left. There you go. Okay, if you go to orders on the lower right and go to filled, you can see exactly what we did and when did it fill.
1582.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, so we are. What is the red next to our total account up there? We're down.
We are down
$3.94.
$3.94.
You know, for a 1 week where the market, are we down? No, we set a record high, didn't we, today? So the market's up for the week. Oh no! So
But dude, did you see the sneak peek earlier when I showed you?
No, I couldn't. It was so small, couldn't see it.
After hours, our socket mobile play is up 7.5%.
Ooh, well, that's good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what we're losing on, we looks like we're going to gain that back. So hopefully next week is a big turn of events for socket mobile.
That is
maybe
great.
It'll go straight to the moon.
That is good deal. So overall,
You'll have to tune in to find out. Subscribe. Get notifications.
How do you think we're doing after our first week?
Oh man, this is great. This is so much fun. I can hardly wait for that whole screen to be filled up with all kinds of stuff.
I think we're doing good for our first week. I think we've still got money in the account. We're not losing anything horrible. We can keep this going for at least a few months, have some fun, and hopefully some of you guys are going to join. You're going to subscribe, tell your friends about us. We can start having some dialogue in the comments maybe and have some fun here. We do appreciate every single one of you that watches us. We love doing this. This is a lot of fun for us, and hopefully we were giving you a smile or two along the way, or giving you a great stock pick like that burger fi that we found. I did. There's one local here, and it sounded like it was closed for COVID, so I'm going to be keeping an eye on it and go try a lunch burger or a Wagyu burger.
Yeah, that would be awesome.
Yeah, it looks like high end stuff. It looks like a Shake Shack type of a place. So hopefully, I'm excited to try it out.
Yeah, good deal.
Yeah. So down below in the link, we will have a Weeble you can follow. You guys can turn into investors just like we can. It is so easy to do. You follow the link, you transfer $100 in there. They're going to give you 2 free stocks instantly. You're an investor, just like Harry and Lloyd. Look at that. And then we can all talk in the thing and say, oh my gosh, we lost all this money. And it's just how it goes. And we're going to say, no, don't, that was dumb. We're going to make money, buy some burger fire or whatever it happens to be. And hopefully we have fun and it'll be great. I do want to do one thing. I want to say, Harry, in 10 years, you're looking great. This was a lot of fun. So glad we started this 10 years ago. So you guys are rocking it. Keep it up. And why do you look so old, guys?
It's going to be an interesting ride, I think.
Absolutely.
It's going to be a lot of fun.
All right. Did we forget anything? Let's see here. We did that.
Well, don't invest like Lloyd.
Yeah. Do not invest like Harry.
Have a great weekend, all.
See you, everybody.